Teachable is a course creation software used by over 120,000 instructors. But is it the right course creation software tool for you? We seek to answer that question as we cover the most important things you should consider before purchasing a course creation tool, including pros and cons, pricing, and features. If you're already a Teachable customer, tell us what you think of the product in the comments below, and if you're new here, hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of our future software reviews. Software Pundit gave Teachable an analyst rating of 87 out of 100 and is currently ranked 4th in our course creation software category. Teachable works well for the hobbyist course creator. It offers a clean and organized student experience, and Teachable offers a built-in certificate creator to recognize students who have completed courses. Teachable does have a few cons. Teachable's email feature is very limited and not marketing friendly. It does not offer gamification features. Also, users have noted that Teachable's mobile application is not always the easiest to use. Teachable's pricing ranges from $39 to $299 per month. Teachable also offers a free trial of its professional plan for 14 days. Teachable comes with a variety of course creation software features. The key feature of any course creation software is the course builder. In Teachable, each course is made up of a series of content blocks that are organized into lectures. These lectures are then grouped into chapters. Overall, we found building courses in Teachable to be slightly confusing at first, but intuitive once we became more familiar with its interface. For each course, you can upload different forms of multimedia, for example, video, audio, and PDF. Teachable also lets you add text, a quiz, and coding to your lectures. Unfortunately, customizing the individual pages of your courses in Teachable is very limited. Elements are automatically centered on each slide, and only text can be aligned to the left or right. Additionally, once you upload your multimedia files, you cannot edit them within the platform. Therefore, we recommend making any edits to your files before you upload them. You can create and include multiple choice quizzes in your lectures. Quizzes in Teachable are not very customizable. Teachable only lets you create quizzes with text-based questions and does not support images or videos. Also, in many course creation platforms, you can set a passing grade that unlocks subsequent content. However, in Teachable, this is not an option. Teachable lets you build your website from scratch and host it on your custom domain. Overall, we found the website builder to be simple and effective. While it's not the most designed-forward platform, it does allow for slightly more customization than most other platforms in this category. Web pages are edited in Teachable using content blocks. These can be images, HTML, videos, and text. Unfortunately, in order to view any changes, you have to preview each block that you've edited. Teachable does not show you updates in real time. In addition, Teachable's site builder does not let you preview how your site will look on mobile. Therefore, building a website that works well on desktop and mobile can be very time-consuming. Teachable offers an iOS mobile app that lets students take your courses on the go. Unlike the rest of the Teachable platform, the mobile app is not whitelisted. Your students will have to download Teachable's branded app and navigate past other courses to reach your content. Overall, we found Teachable's mobile app to be inefficient and best for viewing courses that are not content-heavy. It does offer basic navigation and video settings. However, users of the app have noted that course content is sometimes missing, the video settings are not optimal for viewing, and overall, the platform is buggy. Teachable lets you process payments through its own solution known as Teachable Payments. You simply link your bank account to receive direct deposits in the currency you choose. Depending on your plan, there is a processing fee of up to 5%. Teachable lets students pay by credit card, debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. You can charge your courses as one-time purchases, monthly payments, or as a subscription. With over 120,000 instructors, Teachable is one of the most popular course creation tools on the market. It helps its customers create and market their online courses. We found that Teachable is best for course creators who need a higher quality mid-tier solution. At times, we found the application a little confusing to navigate, but overall, it is intuitive and better for beginners than solutions like Kajabi and Learn Worlds. If you're on a budget and only require a simple solution, then you should consider Podia. If you prefer a more advanced solution that allows you to really customize your courses and websites, then you should consider Learn Worlds and Kajabi. Finally, we recommend all course creators compare Teachable to Thinkific. If you're interested, you can try Teachable today by clicking the link in the description box. Do you agree with our recommendation for Teachable? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe.